Hello, so in this video we will discuss about the data types in C and C++. So mainly we have three types of data type, that is primary or fundamental, derived and user defined, and we will just focus on primary this time and we'll leave derived and user defined data type for later on functions. So the primary data type, it first includes the integer data type, that is just a simple 1 2 like declaration, 1 2 -2 without any decimal points. Then we have character, these contains the special character, then alphabetical character, white spaces and all these. Then we have boolean, these just contains two values, that is true or false. Then we have floating point and double floating point, these two are used to show the decimal values in the C++ language. Now we'll just look at some of the program that will implement these data types. First of all, we'll just look at int, and we'll just take two variables, int a and b, and we will just ask the user to enter the value of both a and b. So enter the value of a and b, and we'll just shift the control to the next line. After that, with cin command, we will get the value of a and b from the user, and we'll just take another variable s, and we'll just store the value inside the s variable, that is s is equal to a plus b. So when we'll just display s, so we can see we will get an integer value back. So when we'll just build and run this program, enter the value of a and b. So a is 4 and b is 6. The answer is 10. Just look at the floating points for double and float. Now we'll just build and run this program and see the output. So when we run it, you can see we get two decimal values, a and b. And for the character, let me just clear this out. For the character, we can use the keyword char and give it a name c, and we can initialize any of the value to it inside single quote, like I'll just assign it a, close it, and when I'll just display c, you can see I'll get a on the output screen. Here I get a. Like this, I can store multiple characters. Thank you. That's all for today.